Back in the wall hole.
What? It's fixed.
Repeat after me. I am not the Chinese kid from Goonies.
You know, I fix things just to the point of working, Schmidt. If you want a fancy fix, just say so.
Okay, please fancy fix the toilet.
That's all you had to say.
If only there was some sort of pipe and water expert that we could hire to come and fix this problem.
Yeah, I can't afford a plumber.
Plumber! That's what it's called.
You really want to do this? You want to have this fight with me? You want to go down this path, Schmidt?
I don't know, is this a path that you recently fixed?
It's called self-reliance. Because unlike you, Schmidt, I don't just throw my money at problems.
All I'm hearing is that I can't use my bathroom because you're poor. Look, it's your lucky day, buddy. I'm gonna pay for the plumber.
No, Schmidt, I don't want your charity.
Well, you seem very happy using my emergency tools.
Oh, yeah? Do you even know what this is?
A doy, it's a scissor.
Yeah, that's exactly right. A scissor. Really, Schmidt?
Yeah, a scissor that you just threw in the turlet.